Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Esthetician Health and Beauty Tips. Today's topic is what are the benefits of pumpkin mask for various skin types? A pumpkin facial mask is a type of enzyme peel that uses natural pumpkin pulp. Pumpkin enzyme facial masks clear impurities and provide hydration, offer effective exfoliation and hydration, and more gentle compared to chemical peels. Pumpkin face masks can benefit skin by reducing the appearance of wrinkles due to their high content of antioxidants, fruit enzymes, and alpha hydroxy acids, which help exfoliate, boost collagen production, and retain moisture. These ingredients also help to brighten the skin, smooth texture, and firm the skin. Pumpkin face masks offer various benefits including improved skin tone, reduced wrinkles, and acne treatment. Pumpkin mask can also help with other skin concerns like redness, dullness, and hyperpigmentation. There are so many benefits of pumpkin mask. Pumpkin mask is exfoliating and smoothing. Pumpkin contains alpha hydroxy acids which gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin. This helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, especially in areas where dryness or aging have caused wrinkles. Pumpkin mask boosting collagen production. Vitamins A and vitamin C, along with antioxidants, help stimulate collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Increased collagen helps to plump up skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, particularly caused by facial expressions. Hydration and moisture retention. Pumpkin is rich in moisture, which helps to hydrate and plump the skin. Alpha hydroxy acids also have a natural ability to retain moisture, preventing dryness and further wrinkle formation. Pumpkin mask protect from sun damage. Antioxidants like vitamin A and beta carotene found in abundance in pumpkins help protect against free radical damage caused by sun exposure. This can help to prevent premature aging and reduce the appearance of wrinkles caused by sun damage. Alpha hydroxy acids present in pumpkin help to exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cells, promoting cell turnover and unclogging pores. This process not only smooths the skin but also helps in reducing acne and pigmentation. Pumpkin face mask is beneficial for regulating oil production and reducing pigmentation issues. Natural enzymes and antioxidants in pumpkin improve circulation and protect the skin from damage and ultraviolet rays. Improved skin texture and tone. The exfoliating properties of pumpkin mask remove dead skin cells and revealing even toned skin. This process helps to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Deep hydration. Pumpkins are rich in water and vitamins that hydrate and nourish the skin. Pumpkin is rich in vitamins, help the skin retain moisture, reducing flakiness and dryness. Pumpkin contains zinc and potassium, which can help to reduce redness and calm irritated skin. Acne treatment. Pumpkin's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin, and its zinc content can help regulate oil production or sebum production, reducing the chances of breakouts. Toning and texture. Pumpkin can improve the skin by smoothing out the face, softening dark spots, and healing acne related scars and blemishes. Illuminates dull skin and promotes an even complexion, boosts circulation for healthier skin. Pumpkin face masks can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles by promoting collagen production, exfoliating dead skin cells, and promote cell turnover, while vitamins A and C boost collagen production and protect against sun damage. Collagen production enhances skin elasticity and firmness, help to lock in moisture and hydrate the skin, feeling soft and supple. Pumpkin mask is beneficial for oily skin. Pumpkin face mask can benefit oily skin by helping to reduce oil production or sebum production, unclog pores, and improve skin texture. Pumpkin mask contains enzymes, alpha hydroxy acids, and vitamins A and C that exfoliate and brighten the skin, making it ideal for treating acne and improving skin clarity. Can help regulate oil production, which is beneficial for oily skin. Overall skin health. Pumpkin face masks can improve overall skin health, more youthful and radiant complexion. The combination of exfoliation, hydration, and antioxidant protection helps to create a smoother, firmer, and more even toned skin. Pumpkin mask helps even the appearance of skin tone, smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and clear skin that looks smoother, younger, and radiant. Pumpkin infused skincare products can brighten skin and even skin tone. Incorporating pumpkin skincare products into your skincare is easy. These are several options to use at home. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.